Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Meg.
Today we're going to talk about the surgical options for making your tummy look its best.
The simplest is liposuction, but that only works best if you're young, have tight skin, no previous pregnancies, and are near your ideal weight.
It's even possible in men to etch in a six-pack with liposuction.
A skin-only abdominoplasty is one which does not involve any muscle work, just excess fat and skin removal.
Postmenopausal women and those who have lost like 100 pounds are good candidates for skin-only tummy tucks.
Recovery is much easier when the muscles are not touched.
The classic abdominoplasty includes both generous skin removal and repairing separated muscles caused by pregnancy, a condition called rectus diastasis.
The muscle repair with this procedure makes the first week of recovery very challenging.
The scar from a classic abdominoplasty is very long and higher up than a C-section scar. At the end of the day, it's a trade-off for the benefits of the procedure.
Some are candidates for a lesser procedure that still repairs the muscles but has a shorter and lower scar.
If you think you may be a candidate for any of these procedures, talk with your surgeon and see what's right for you.